The next one, Honorable Owino.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Number one, I rise to support this motion by Honorable Dorothy and for her consideration on the caregivers who are taking care of the persons with disabilities. Mr. Speaker, disability is not inability. And these people, most of them are just physically disabled but not spiritually disabled. Gone are the days, Mr. Speaker, when persons with disabilities used to be discriminated on. There used to be stigma on persons with disabilities, and since the promulgation of the 2010 Kenyan Constitution, we found in Article 27 protecting persons with disabilities, stating the equality and freedom from discrimination. And further, Mr. Speaker, Article 54, Sub-Article 1E, advocates for accessibility of devices that will help persons with disabilities to be independent. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, when we have caregivers taking care of persons with disabilities, you find that these people, there is no any other job they are doing for gain. The only job they are doing is to take care of persons with disabilities. Therefore, it is in the interest of this nation and Kenyan citizens to set aside a good amount of money to pay the caregivers who are taking care of these persons with disabilities, because literally they are not going for their jobs as usual. They themselves, for lack of a better word, are grounded, taking care of their loved ones. And therefore, to motivate them, to ensure that they provide proper services to these persons with disabilities, it is very much in order for the government to set aside a budget so that they are well remunerated. Thank you, and God bless you.
The Honorable Jackson Kosgei.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. From the onset, I support this motion. Wish to congratulate the honorable member for bringing it to the House. It gives me, because I'm one of those who consumes the benefit of such debate, though now I'm older than the children, but on their behalf, I wish to thank members for the kind contribution they have made towards this particular motion, Mr. Speaker. A caregiver, it is known by every one of us, is a person, and sometimes it is an institution, who tends to the very concerns of children or persons with injuries, or they have some short-term disability or long-term, and it is due to illness,